Welcome to a video from digitallifestyle.com. New Windows 11 build to look at. This is 25252, all the 2s and 5s. This is for Windows Insiders on the dev channel. And there's just a few changes with this. There was no build last week because it was a Thanksgiving holiday in the US. So this is released early this week. Okay, what have we got in this build? If you've got a VPN set up, you'll see a little shield on there when you connect to via the VPN. I haven't got a VPN on this virtual machine, but that's where you would see it. The search button, Microsoft are trying out some search buttons changes. Now, I don't think my build has picked up on these, so let's quickly check. No, I haven't got those new settings. So the change of this is there's a bigger search box, a bit like the Windows 10 one, so a large one with some graphics in it. I'll put a screenshot of what that looks like actually from the Windows blog, but yeah, I'm not really that bothered about those kind of things, but there you go. It's at least Microsoft trying some stuff. Right, the rest of the changes are actually just fixes. So they fixed an issue with Explorer EXE crashing when you do Alt F4. They fixed an issue with Explorer crashing, or Explorer crashes impacting system tray performance. I can't say I've noticed any issues with that. And they've made a refinement for the tablet optimized taskbar users to make it a bit easier to use the taskbar without invoking the start menu. I'll try that on my Surface, my Surface Go, my old Surface Go, and see if I can spot any difference on that. But, and they fixed issues with Media Player. So there are some known issues with this build. Under certain circumstances, widgets may appear missing. Let's have a look. Okay, I don't think I've seen any widgets missing, and yes, I'm not really seeing any missing widgets on there. I've got the full screen view, and that's it really. There's an issue with the build not viewing secondary drives, and the device shows us having an error in Device Manager, so they're working on a fix on that. So if you've got an additional drive plugged in, you may see that issue. They're investigating some issues with game crashes, and a new one is they're working on a fix for an issue with Bluetooth quick settings crashes, starting the previous flight that was when it started crashing. You can go to settings, Bluetooth devices. So is it really, if you went from the quick settings to Bluetooth settings, it would crash. Now, there are some issues if you got the change to the search button. So if you're on an external monitor, there's issues with multi-monitors and this new search button. If you click on the taskbar, you may not immediately, if you click on search, it may not immediately work. But it depends on you in the small group of Windows Insiders that are getting that change on there. There's some issues with Task Manager as well, but no new issues on that. So that's the change of this build. There's not much I can show you. So I haven't picked up this new search button yet, but I'll try my other dice and see they are. But what I can say is these builds are nice and stable. I don't get too many crashes on them. So you can find out more on digitallifestyle.com. I've actually got some videos of new features like in Task Manager and things like that, so specific features. So check out that on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.